Okay, as Jim Morgan climbs back into the cab of that big claw and gets ready to do a little more demolition. All right, here goes the claw. Okay. All right, folks. Oh! Wow, there goes the chimney. Whoa, there goes the chimney of the house. And now going through the middle bedroom, which would have been Mom's bedroom for the last year or so. That bedroom is pretty much gone. The middle bedroom now. And the kitchen, pretty much gone. Pretty much leaves Mom's bedroom and the living room still standing. I do want to thank Milbacher Construction for allowing us to be on the site to bring this amazing footage to you. Wow. The debris cloud is kind of drifting toward me now. Only about a third of my mother's house still standing. Kind of looks like a bomb went off. At one time we thought maybe it would be cool if Mark Kriegel could come up from Tennessee with a couple very large explosive devices and blow the house up, but I guess we couldn't get the permits for that. Probably this is a little safer, I'm thinking.